When you do a lot of camping, a problem that you run into is that you have already camped at all the places that are close to your home. Exploring is fun, but with the fuel prices being what they are these days, it is a great bonus when a new camping spot becomes available. The Palmenkop camp will be opening to the public soon. Camping at Palmenkop is safe and very convenient. You only bring your bedding, food and firewood. There are 4 tents with 2 beds in each tent. The tents are arranged in groups of 2 to the left and 2 to the right of the central area. Each group of tents has their own very clean hot water shower and flush toilet. Each tent also has its own fireplace for ambience. With a communal barbecue and table area in the middle of the camp, this camp is ideal for various sized groups of people, from a couple wanting some tranquility to a family or group of friends of up to 8 people. For larger groups, special arrangements can be made. What is unique about Palmenkop camp is that the tent and communal area is inside a thicket of trees, so you have excellent shade all day and protection from the wind if it decides to blow. Horses wander around the camp and there is a swimming pool available to cool off in. Palmenkop is located on the banks of the Swakop River, just downstream of where the Khan and Swakop rivers join. It's smack dab in what the locals call the moon landscape. For those that do not know, it's a Badlands style, rugged landscape of naked rock formations of various colors and interesting shapes. It is pretty. While you can get to the camp in just a normal vehicle, the gravel road leading into the camp is quite corrugated, so it's recommended to use a more rugged vehicle. The scenery along the gravel road is very, very beautiful and may make you forget about the corrugation. For the off-road enthusiasts, you are also able to access Palmenkop from the Swakop River by driving up the riverbed from the Konikontas Oasis, but you will definitely need a 4x4 vehicle and know where to go. If you decide to explore around the Palmenkop camp, you can drive up the Khan River to see some wildlife, and there are Welwitschia plants if you drive up the Swakop River. For the Welwitschia plants, you will need a Namib Naukluft permit from the MEFT, but for the rest there is no permit required. For the more sporty people, there are hiking trails being laid out, and you should definitely inquire about them or other activities when you book. Of course, you don't have to do anything, and you can just chill by the pool or the camp with a good book and enjoy the peace and quiet. For the scouting mission and camp, it was decided to drive up the river to the camp. The rock formations were indeed just how we remembered them from our previous camps in the Swakop River. We did not see much wildlife, only some baboons and klipspringer. After the camp, we took the easy road out to see the maximum amount of scenery. Thanks so much for watching all the way here, it's really appreciated. Feel free to explore Namibia with the other videos posted on this channel.